While undergoing a crucial treatment for a life-threatening brain condition at a hospital in North China's Tianjin, a Pakistani student communicated to his family back home that, "I'm okay, please don't worry." Coming from a mountainous northern area in Pakistan, Ali Husnain had big dreams in his eyes to achieve new heights of success, fulfillment and happiness, and desired to serve his people in Pakistan when he got the scholarship for study from the Chinese government. However, in September last year during his PhD studies in the major of Control Science and Engineering at the Tianjin University, Husnain's whole world came crashing down around him when he was diagnosed with deadly viral encephalitis caused by the herpes simplex virus, which attacks human brain and can result in significant brain damage or death.
I went to Tianjin, in Tianjin University for my PhD degree. In Tianjin, I feel sick, and my colleagues informed to the international office, and they carry me to the hospital. And what happened in the hospital, I did not remember because I am unconscious.
Fortunately, after undergoing a major surgery and staying in an intensive care unit of the hospital for more than a month, the unremitting efforts of the doctors bore fruit as they were able to save Husnain's life. After spending more than 60 days at the hospital while substantially recovering from the illness, Husnain's family decided to bring him back to Pakistan, where he would be surrounded by his loved ones while getting the remaining treatment.
I feel very excellent. The way they treated me is extraordinary. They support me at every steps. They support me. They support my art treatment. So the way they treated me is very good. I want to say to the Chinese government and Chinese people, I want to say that very thankful from me the way they treated me. I have no words about their kindness and their support. I only say that thank you very much.
Expressing his immense gratitude to the Chinese government and the medical staff, Ali Muhammad, father of Ali Husnain, said he really appreciated the way his son was taken care of in China.
चीन जो है वो हमारा दूसरा घर है। मैं इसीलिए अपने बच्चे को जो वहाँ पे हाई स्टडी के लिए जो वहाँ भेजे।
The deadly brain disease seems ineffective to shatter Husnain's dreams, spirit and ambitions, as he is determined to beat it and join his studies once again after getting fully recovered.